In today's video, I will walk you through how to remove watermark in Adobe Photoshop. Start by opening the image that contains the watermark you want to remove. Once your image is loaded into Photoshop, head over to the Layers panel. You'll want to create a duplicate of your image layer so you can work non-destructively and keep the original image untouched. First, right-click on the image layer, then choose Duplicate Layer. A small window will appear asking you to name the new layer. You can rename it to Remove Watermark, then create the duplicate. After that, make sure the duplicated layer is selected before moving to the next step. Now head over to the toolbar on the left side of Photoshop and look for the Object Selection tool. Depending on your current tool setup, you may see a different selection tool instead. If that happens, right-click on the tool icon and choose Object Selection Tool from the list. Once the tool is active, look at the settings near the top of Photoshop. Set the tool behavior to lasso mode, and make sure it is set to duplicate. After that, you'll be ready to begin selecting the watermarks on the image. It's usually easier to begin with any watermark that appears in the background first, before moving on to areas that overlap the main subject of the photo. The subject areas can be more detailed, so starting with the simpler sections helps keep the process organized. Use the lasso selection to trace around the watermark areas. The outline does not need to be perfectly accurate because Photoshop will automatically help refine the selection for you. Continue selecting each watermark until all visible watermark areas on the image have been included. After all the watermarks are selected, move to the top menu bar and click Select. Then Modify, then Expand. Set the expansion amount to at least 8 pixels. This helps Photoshop blend the edited area more naturally into the surrounding image. Next, go back to the menu bar and click Edit, then Fill. A new window will open. Set the Contents option to Content Aware Fill, and leave the remaining settings unchanged. Then apply the fill. Photoshop will process the selected areas and replace the watermarks using surrounding image details. Once it finishes, remove the active selection by pressing Ctrl-D on your keyboard. And that's it. The watermark should now be removed from the image. If this tutorial helped you out, please like the video and subscribe for more Photoshop tutorials. You can also leave your questions in the comments section below.